It feels like these buildings are talking to each other.
Oh, yes!
Alright, it's day 2 in Istanbul. We are back in the streets. I have to say this street looked very scary yesterday, but looks completely fine now. I'm not sure if it's just me, but whenever I arrive in a new country, I always feel like, what the hell am I doing here? But the next day I feel completely fine. Anyways, we're gonna head to the Blue Mosques today. I think it's gonna be really nice. Wow, there's a little food dispenser here. If you throw a coin in here, food will come out here for the dogs. Istanbul is so animal friendly, I like it. So far I like this part of Istanbul much more than Taksim, where we're staying. So there's not only wild cats, there's also a lot of wild dogs. At least there's the food dispenser though. So this has to be the most epic place in Istanbul. At one side we have the Sophia Mosque, and then at the other side there is the Blue Mosque. This is what I came here for, to Istanbul, to see something straight out of Aladdin. This looks straight out of Aladdin if you ask me. So right now there's a prayer going on between the Sophia Mosque and the Blue Mosque. Well, not against, I think they're doing it together, and it's so cool. I got goosebumps right now. It feels like these buildings are talking to each other. Not people, but the actual buildings are having a conversation. Very, very cool.
I don't think it quite shows in the video, but for some reason I was getting kind of emotional here. There was just something so beautiful about these two buildings singing with each other, and the people inside who are all so devoted to their religion. Yeah, I'm not a religious person, but I think this experience could show me a different side of religion and make me understand it better. Alright, that's enough serious talk. Let's go back to something lighthearted.
Marco really wants to try the Turkish ice.
Lemon, vanilla, chocolate, berry, caramel. Which one do you want?
Give him the best.
Which one? Oh, vanilla. Yes. Japan. Konnichiwa. Arigato. Oh, yes. Mask open. Mask, yes. Yeah. Oh, hey, come on. Please. Yeah.
Refreshing?
Really. Kahramanmaraşlı dedikleri, oturmadır yedikleri. Yes. Oh. Please. Come here. Ah. Oh my God, come on. Oh! Yeah. Thank you. For you, extra. Thank
Oh,
you so
oh
much.
nice.
Oh! Try. Try. Again. Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Too.
We're taking a break and this little fellow's hungry. Do cats eat bread? I don't know, but it's the only thing we have. Oh. Looks like there's some sort of mini bazaar here. Arasta Bazaar. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks very cute. So small. This isn't real, right? It's too small.
Next up, it was time to see the Blue Mosque, said to be one of the most beautiful mosques of Turkey.
I don't know how you can watch other people.
Fortunately, this sweet lady came up to help us to tie the hijab correctly.
Oh, looks cute. Oh, looks nice. Thank you. Unfortunately, they are doing construction in the Blue Mosque. We cannot see anything.
Slightly disappointed, we headed to the Hagia Sophia Mosque, which is right across the Blue Mosque, to try our luck here.
So unfortunately the Blue Mosque was under construction, but we could at least see the Sophia Mosque. It was really beautiful. We're going to this park next, Gulane Park, something like this. And next up we're gonna go to the sea. You can just about see it here. We want to take a boat trip.
In our quest to find a boat, we stumbled upon the river that separates the European and Asian side of Istanbul, and it was fun to take a step back from the touristy things and see what the locals of Istanbul do here.
Istanbul is so hot. Mariko is used to this weather. I'm not. It's too hot. Ah, we found our boat. Oh, nice, refreshing. Right, we're on our way to Kadikoy. Yay! Alright, we made it to Kadikoy. We don't know what's here. I saw a YouTube video that said this is a really cool area, so we're just gonna explore. The boat ride was really refreshing though.
So yeah, I would say Kadikoy is a pretty cool and trendy area. There's a lot of nice artsy things and nice cafes. However, we were getting hungry.
This watermelon is only 1 lira. That's 10 European cents. Wow, crazy. How much is a watermelon in Japan?
One watermelon is 200 yen. No, 2,000 yen.
2,000 yen, $20. That's 200 times more expensive. Pretty good. Not sure. Just a mix of some vegetables and meat and rice. Simple but good. I'm a simple eater. Alright. Lastly, I'll try this. It's supposed to be some sort of rice dessert. Looks like this. It's very smooth. I like it. Yeah. Sweet, smooth. It's good. It reminds me somewhat of flan, Dutch flan. Alright, we're gonna head back to the city. We're not sure how, but maybe it's this boat. We're gonna find out how. So beautiful, this boat ride around sunset. You can see all the mosques. Really beautiful. What do you think?
Ah, so beautiful.
Next up we were gonna take a look at the Galata Tower, even though we felt a little bit scared walking through Istanbul at night.
We have to walk up these massive stairs, but it looks very pretty. Looks like we are entering a fairy tale. This is made with coffee.
I'm glad we took a stop at the Galata Tower area because this area is super beautiful.
Alright, we made it back to our Airbnb. It was a little bit scary to walk at night, but we made it. We're very tired, so that was it for day 2 in Istanbul. And tomorrow we're gonna see the bazaar, which I'm really looking forward to. This was one of my most anticipated things in Istanbul. So we're gonna go there and I'm gonna take you along there.